Hello everyone. In previous lecture, we have seen the conversion of BGR image to RGB image. Now we are going to see vice versa of it. Nothing but conversion of RGB image to BGR image using OpenCV. Let me open the Jupyter notebook. From command prompt, open the Jupyter notebook. Yes, you can see this is our already existing RGB image, right? Or if you are doing only this experiment again, I will tell not an issue. I am read of solar.jpeg is our image name. Yes, it is present in CV2 package, right? So CV2 dot we need to mention. Yes. Now we have read the image successfully. Now if we are working with only matplotlib, even if you are giving RGB image, it takes the values as BGR. So firstly, you need to adjust that one. So now let me show it. Yes. Let me say some B. Now I am going to display using matplotlib. Yes, similar to previous experiment, you need to work with CV2 package and matplotlib package. plt.im show of B. It will give our RGB image only, right? Yes. Now you avoid the upper part. It is nothing but our B variable is nothing but the RGB image. Now how to convert it to our BGR, RGB to BGR, right? It is nothing but if you reverse RGB, you are going to get BGR. And if you are going to reverse BGR, you are going to get RGB. Vice versa. Yes, I am reversing RGB to get BGR in A. Yes. Now if I will display it, you can see I will get the BGR image. This is direct technique. Nothing but just by reversing the pixels of RGB. Now in CV2 there is inbuilt function CV2 dot convert color, and we are going to pass two parameters. One is which image you are going to pass, actually our RGB image, nothing but B we are going to pass, and to which image you want to convert, CV2 dot color underscore. Now you are converting RGB to BGR. Store it in some another new variable, let me say C. Yes. Now I am going to display it. Yes, you can see we got BGR image. This is how we convert RGB to BGR image. One technique is direct technique, nothing but reversing by pixels. And the second technique is nothing but by making use of CV2 dot convert color technique. And in these two parameters we are going to pass. One is the source of the image, nothing but the image variable. And the second thing is nothing but on color image we are performing, and from which type to which type we are converting, that's the indication of it. From RGB to BGR I am converting. This is how it works. Hope you all understood. If you are facing any issues, you can drop in the comment section. And in the next lecture, we are going to see one of the most important technique, nothing but BGR to HSV, and how to modify an image using OpenCV. Nothing but we can increase all pixel values by plus 10, plus 15 like that. And in this also, we are also going to see the splitting and merging which we have done in the earlier lectures. Again, we are going to perform for HSV. Now, HSV stands for hue saturation value. As you all know, RGB is nothing but red, green and blue. BGR is also same, blue, green, red. Just reverse, right? HSV stands for hue saturation value. and we are going to work on that images in the next lecture. Hope you all understood. Thank you.